Hey, good afternoon, auction friends. Kenny from Powell Auction Realty. We are at 11105 Thornton Drive in Farragut, Tennessee. The auction is going to be on the Thursday, October 9th at 12 noon. Open house, October 7th at 11:30. Let's walk through this home. It's got a 2-car detached garage. There's actually a lift in there for you guys that work on cars. So this is going to be a fixer-upper. Needs a little updating. Nice kitchen here, but this is a great location in Farragut. Everybody wants Farragut school systems. Oak floors. You can see some original tiles. This is one of the 3 bedrooms. It's 3 bedroom, 1.5 bath. Actually has 2 lots with the home, so you're gonna get a double lot. Screened in porch. There was a hot tub out here. They did get rid of it, but screened in. The 2-car garages and another covered area. We'll get down to the basement. It's got a lot of space in it. Many uses. The gentleman that lived here had a workshop downstairs. You can open it up, he put some walls up. Half bath. Like another extra kitchen. You might can make your mother-in-law's quarter here because there's a fireplace downstairs. Another storage room. Double door entry. You can have a separate entrance here. Another carport. 1 garage. 2 garage. If you like working on cars or anything, this would be a good place for you. Look here. 9,000 pound lift, stand with the sail. And here's another little unfinished garage area. Lots of space here. This is Farragut, Tennessee. Thornton Drive is the address. Check it out. PowellAuction.com, 865-938-3403. Call us for any questions. Thank you for watching.